I have right here something that I've been waiting for quite a while. This is a USB charger, but not a normal charger. You can see that in total it can output up to 280 watts. It may not be something special, but the special thing about this charger is that on a single USB-C port, it can output up to 240 watts. 240 watts is the maximum power that is supported by the USB-C protocol. Right now it's not possible to pass more than 240 watts through a USB-C cable, so this charger can use full potential of the USB protocol. And in my previous videos you've seen that I've tested few cables that could support 240 watts, but I was not able to test the full potential of those cables because devices like this were not easily available. And then I told you that those cables are future-proof, that in the future when there will be available devices that can support 240 watts, those cables that I've tested before will be ready for this situation. And right now is this situation. Now I have access to a charger that can output 240 watts on a single USB-C port. So a big day for me. I've been waiting for this thing. And in total it has 6 USB ports, 4 USB-C and 2 USB-A, and it has mobile app for controlling it and built-in screen, so this is quite advanced charger. But the most important thing for me in this charger is this 240 watts output on a single port, and that's the main thing that I want to test, if it really can support it. But let's start by viewing the box. On the front we have the look of the device, app remote control, intelligent screen display, 6-port fast charging, this GaN plus technology. On the sides we don't have anything. At the top this AI, at the bottom AI also, and on the back we have 280 watts PD 3.2 fast charging, app remote control, intelligent screen display, GaN plus technology, 6-port fast charging, and here we have what's the possible power in which port configuration. So the most important thing for me, USB C1 output. Right here we have 48 volts, 5 amps. So in total 240 watts. On this first USB-C port this is possible. The second port can output 140 watts, third and fourth the same. USB-A ports can output 22.5 watts and in total 280 watts. So powerful charger, let's unbox it. Magnetic opening, you can see 2 magnets. The charger, quite heavy, 4 USB-C ports, display, 2 USB-A ports and button, and plug on the back. User manual, probably some quality control, and the power cable. You can select what type of plug do you want to receive. Let's see the manual. There probably should be information about the mobile app for this charger. Package contents, specification, beginner guide, LED screen, fast charging, standard charging, and trickle charging, USB-C charging status, USB-A status, temperature, standby mode. You have charging scenarios, so turbo mode, smart mode, or standby mode. And confirmation, we have time and weather display. You have charging animations, more animation, app download on iOS and on Android. So the app name is just AOHi, so the name of the company. Connecting the device, app interface, and notes. So a simple manual with all informations. Let's power on this charger. Here we have 0 watts. There is the AOHi app. Let's install it. I've selected quick access without logging in, and it detected the charger, and I have all the information about the charger. Let's select turbo mode to see its full potential. And to test this charger I had to buy a new equipment, because the equipment that I've used in my previous videos is not powerful enough to support 240 watts. It was hard to find devices and testers to test 240 watts USB-C, but I found devices that should be able to fully test full potential of this device. So this device is that powerful that normal equipment couldn't test it. I had to buy new equipment. So let's try these new devices and let's try to test what this charger can offer us. Let's start with this USB-C protocol tester. This will be the first time that I will be using those devices, so I will have to learn how to use them. Let's try just plugging it in to the C1 port. I have the manual for this device, and right now the smartphone is charging with 34 watts, so the charger is at all working. But not to destroy the smartphone, let's power it with additional source of power instead of outputting the power to the smartphone. And let's run charging protocol auto detection. Power delivery 3.1, 240 watts. So it detected correctly that it can support 240 watts. It should show power delivery 3.2, but maybe the tester doesn't support power delivery 3.2. So it may be tester error, not the charger. But in theory, we have 240 watts supported. And I can manually trigger 48 volts output on the charger. So it will be useful for testing it. Now I need the device that I can input into 240 watts at 48 volts. And right here I have a device that should be able to support it. And I have right here additional module for this device to be able to take 240 watts. Let's power on this tester. Now let's connect output of the charger to the input of the tester. Over voltage protection turn on. Let's change over voltage protection to 50 volts, for example. Now let's plug it in. We have right here 47.88 volts because of some losses on the system. Let's start with 1 amp and let's begin the test. One amp is going in, so we have 47 watts right now. Let's go to 2 watts, 3 watts, 4 watts. Over power protection, so let's go to the settings and change over power protection to 300 watts. Let's repeat the test. 1 amp, it is going in. On the display I can see 47 watts. The app hasn't updated yet, it shows 0 watts, but for sure they are going 47 watts. Let's go 2 amps, 3 amps, 4 amps, 5 amps. 234 watts after losses. So it is working. Right now this charger is delivering 240 watts to this tester. So it is working. I've triggered 48 volts from the charger, so that's a first good sign. And I could take 5 amps from it, so in total 240 watts almost because of some losses, so I received more like 235 watts. That's it, what they promised. So this charger really can support 240 watts charging, and that's the biggest feature for me. Additionally, as you've seen, it has many more features, like 3 additional USB-C ports, 2 USB-A ports, this display, mobile app, solid desktop charger that you can charge any device that has USB-C charging with full power that this device supports, because no device can take more than 240 watts from a USB-C, because this is the limit of the protocol. USB devices cannot take right now with power delivery 3.2 more than 240 watts. So this charger for sure can charge with full power all available USB-C devices. So I'm glad that I finally have this charger and I finally can test 240 watts cables and I can charge devices with full power, and it should last for a long time because there are low chances that in near future it will be possible to deliver more than 240 watts through a USB-C cable, and even if it would be possible in the future, it should be really rare situations where you would need more power than 240 watts through a USB-C. So a really good, powerful charger that is worth having if you want to future-proof yourself, that you will be able to charge any device with full power that is possible with USB-C. And that's all for today. Like, subscribe, and be nice.